welcome to kiddrawsfun. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a Halloween pumpkin and a ghost. In Spanish is calabaza de Halloween and fantasma. I'm going to draw like this. Good. This. I'm doing 1, 2, 3, make 4. Okay, I'm doing some more. 4, 1, 2, 3. I'm drawing first eye here. I can draw here. I draw the first eye here, the second eye here, the nose here, and the mouth down here. I start here, 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 right here, and like this, and some teeth. Like this. I finished the pumpkin. Now I'm drawing the ghost. I'm drawing it here. Now down. Now I'm drawing the eyes. We can color in, and we leave the little circles white. Okay, now I'm drawing another one. We leave this circles white too. Let's draw this for the mouth and a curve and a tongue. Now I'm drawing the arms, another arm. Okay, I finished drawing my Halloween pumpkin and ghost. Now I'm going to color. I'm going to color the ghost first. Here, for the eyebrows. It's a ghost, right? Now I'm going to color like the tongue. I need red. And just painting the tongue red. Finish the ghost. I'm going to color the pumpkin. I'm going to use black for the pumpkin. And this is the ghost, right? The ghost? Yeah. Okay, see? This is all beautiful. Now I'm doing the nose color, the eyes. I will color the other part with orange for the Halloween pumpkin. And this is also a pumpkin, Halloween pumpkin. I also need green. Let's color this part first. Like, and it's okay. I'm using this. Okay, I am going to color all around here, around the Halloween pumpkin. And there's a ghost, Halloween ghost. There's a Halloween pumpkin. And you're okay with it's okay. Your drawings turn out beautiful. It's okay. Later, I'm drawing a black cat sleeping. First, I'm painting this of the pumpkin. First, I'm painting the pumpkin, then I'm done. Around here, I'm doing, and I'm almost done. Okay, I finished drawing and coloring my Halloween pumpkin and the ghost. It turned out so beautiful! Yay! And if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.